so many years, and this is something that's really, really valuable to preserve, because if we don't have this, then we don't have, our legacy, our heritage is lost, and that would be a very sad thing. So that's just a little bit of what we're doing, what we've already done, and hopefully what we plan to continue doing. And inshallah, in the future, with more support, with more awareness on these issues, we can go even further into that. And once we find and study the history of these regions, we can protect and preserve them, which is very important because they're being destroyed. They already have been destroyed. And so we want to preserve them as part of our heritage and continue to be recognized as one of the most historically and culturally diverse and rich regions in the world. So I'll leave you with that, and thank you so much for listening.
What a wonderful speech. Come on, guys. Let's give them a Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Timaj, Grad, Aji Bezilektima, Baz Harar, Baz Usu, Zilamattawa, Zigabertabe, Marwa Ali, Zashta Besalotu, Madejale, Dilaga Zebe, وقت زي بين ستي من روح ذات طيارتك كفلتي ما تزيد الطيبات. She is going to be a keynote speaker, inshallah, on Friday for the youth conference. And she is leaving Friday around 2 o'clock. Look at the strain of the time. I don't have enough word, really, to praise and to say thank you. علم خاشلم هوجي زي ما تنا مزبيرن تشي فز بحاجشي زي ما تبنا كتبه لوكازان شيلتام. Inshallah, we'll post your research and study in our website, and inshallah we'll invite you again, and you will give us a warm visit again. ما يبقى السرقات لنا زيت أخاك بحمسة ما تتمام موالي للنار بتوقع زخوكت سأزوات الناشط زنا تبل بيت زنا بحزدي جشيبه نص ساعة بتحيط ارتي حرصة لذلك تدلاقة